In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit beach photos in Lightroom Classic. As we walk through this editing process, we'll bring out the stunning beauty and vibrancy of your beach images, giving them that breathtaking finish you've been hoping for. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, begin by importing your beach photo into Lightroom Classic and then navigate to the Develop module. This is where all the magic happens. Start by selecting the Crop tool, which plays a crucial role in ensuring your photo's composition is just right. Typically, beaches have straight horizons, so make sure you check the horizon level. If it's tilted, don't worry. Straighten it out to achieve that perfectly level horizon. Also, consider the aspect ratio you want to use. A wide aspect ratio is excellent for highlighting the expanse of a landscape, while a square format might be better suited for social media sharing. Now, let's move on to adjusting exposure and contrast. Beach environments often present a challenge due to the combination of intense sunlight and reflective sand. Start by pulling the highlights down. This step helps recover details in areas that are too bright, like the sky or reflective sand. Next, open up the shadows slightly. This will ensure details are retained in the shaded areas, such as under umbrellas or among rocks. To give your image more punch, enhance the contrast. This adjustment will make the sea, sky, and sand stand out more vividly, adding a dynamic feel to your photo. Once you're satisfied with the exposure and contrast, it's time to tweak the white balance and colors. If you notice your sand or sea appears to have a color cast, perhaps looking too blue or green, adjust the temperature slider slightly towards the warmer side. A warmer tone can help invoke that inviting sunny glow typical of beach scenes. Within the HSL panel, take the time to boost or adjust the blue tones for an enchanting look in the water and sky. Similarly, adjust the yellow and orange tones to finesse the hues in the sand and enhance the sun's glow. Now let's refine the detail and clarity of your image using dehaze and clarity tools. The dehaze slider is particularly helpful for beach photography, as it can significantly reduce atmospheric haze, which often occurs on humid days. This will help intensify the separation between the sea and sky. Apply clarity and texture moderately to bring out the details in elements like waves, rocks, and sand grains. However, be careful not to overdo these settings, especially if there are people in your photo, as too much clarity can make skin appear harsh. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to transform your beach photos into vibrant works of art. Go ahead and experiment with these techniques in Lightroom Classic and elevate your beach photography to the next level. Happy editing!